We need some spice in our life to make our pork chops turn out great. You may have all the ingredients in your pantry. If you have any high sodium things still in there, it might be a good time to go through those and dump them out a little bit. An example is chili powder. If you've got any, it's 240 milligrams of sodium for 1 tablespoon. You might want to check out the 11th video on my channel, Chili Powder Blend, less than 5 milligrams for 1 tablespoon. You'll need an empty little jar or one of these little spice bottles. So when you go through your spices, don't throw them away. We just might find a need for some of these. This is one recipe. There's 8 teaspoons in here. 4 milligrams of sodium for the whole thing. That kind of depends on what day you go and look, because some days you put nutrients in, cayenne pepper. It comes up 0. The next day you can put nutrients in, cayenne pepper, it comes up 1. We're real close. We're real close. In the pork rub, 1 teaspoon of ginger. Today it's got 1 for a teaspoon. 4 teaspoons of marjoram. Today it's got 1. 1 teaspoon of Worcester ground black pepper. 0 sodium. 1 teaspoon either has 2 or 0 of cayenne pepper. It depends on what day you look. 1 teaspoon of ground mustard. Seems to always have 0. So the whole 8 teaspoons is only 4 milligrams of sodium. When we get our pork chops, I used to buy center cut because they have less fat on them. 240 milligrams of sodium for 4 ounces. They're kind of packed in a saline solution. The bone-in pork chops is 65 milligrams for 4 ounces. If you take your pork chops and just sprinkle about 1/8 of a teaspoon of the pork rub on each side, rub it in, sticking it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Then, throw it in a frying pan, brown it real good, put a lid on it and turn it down, simmer it until it's done. Or, my favorite way, go throw it on the grill outside. Really, really good. Then, get ready for the compliments. Folks really like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Click on the little bell. And then when I put a new little video out on Friday, you'll be notified. Ding! Oh, Judy's at it again. Wonder what she's got. You don't want to miss them.